Day 17. Alright, boys and girls, back in Germany again. Today's going to be a huge day. It's going to be a tough day because there's more wind today. It's going to be rain. It's sad to accept that at one point of today I'm going to get wet. But I got a camping site, 140 kilometers, 145 kilometers. Just keep pushing, and gonna be doing over 130, 140 days from now on. We'll see how long it'll take. I'll still have 2 nights in Germany, and then I'll be in Denmark, and that'll be maybe 1 night in Denmark, and then cross over from Copenhagen to Malmö, and then maybe 5 days in Sweden, and then over to Finland, and then maybe push that 1 day from Turku to Tampere. I don't know, or have it 2 days. We'll see. But right now, there's only one thing in my mind: top 6, push through. Ain't gonna stop me. It's too damn big. After 153 kilometers of cycling, I have arrived at this wonderful camping site, and they have placed me next to water, and to my pleasance I got horny frogs calling for their mates, as you can hear them on the background. Otherwise it's a very lovely place. You got a place for kids again. A lot of space, good green. Jesus. They'll probably just put me to sleep, to be honest. Alright, well, it was a big day today. We'll see what happens tomorrow. We're crossing the river. What do you call it? Some river, anyway.